Hi everyone, welcome to Cheffzy.
Today we got a fun challenge,
I am cooking 3 Sri Lankan traditional curries.
but we only using Asda ingredients.
No Sri Lankan shop, no important ingredients.
Let's see if we can bring Sri Lankan flavors to the UK with just Asda ingredients.
Coconut, beetroot, tomato, eggs, desiccated coconut, onion, garlic, kale, curry powder, and tilde rice, turmeric powder, chili powder.
Let's see what we bought from Asda today.
We got kale and eggs and also beetroot. This is the main things, and I bought from Asda coconut, tomato, chili powder, curry powder, turmeric powder, desiccated coconut, ginger, garlic, and green chili, tilda cooked basmati rice. Vegetable oil, onion, garlic, green chili, salt, chili powder, and curry powder. Add beetroot and mix it well. I'm add little bit water. After 2-3 minutes, mix it again. After 2 minutes, again mixed. Look at the color. And add a little bit coconut. And mixed. And add tomato. After 2 minutes, my beetroot curry is ready. I'm going to make poached egg for the egg curry. Little bit vinegar. I'm going to make egg curry. Vegetable oil, onion, garlic, green chili, salt, curry powder, chili powder, and a little bit turmeric powder, and mix it well. Now I am at coconut cream. Now I am at my poached egg. Now my egg curry is ready. I am going to make kale mallum. Vegetable oil, garlic, little bit salt, look at the color, and this is my kale mallum. This is my egg curry. Green chili for the garnish. This is my beetroot curry. Everything done. I am going to try with tilde basmati rice. Here it is a full Sri Lankan meal, only use Asda ingredients. Egg curry, beetroot curry and kale mallum. Okay, let's taste.
The egg curry is creamy and spicy.
Kale mallum is fresh and healthy, and beetroot curry is sweet and very flavorful. Honestly, this feels like a home, even with UK supermarket ingredients.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Sri Lankan and Asda challenge.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.